Are you having problems that your Mint mobile data is not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly actually went into my settings app on my phone, and in here I just scrolled down and I clicked on mobile service. So click on mobile service, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, just click where it says mobile data and make sure that if this one is set to off, you need to enable it, and you need to also enable it to that specific number that is connected to your Mint mobile subscription, of course. So make sure that it's the correct number. And if that still doesn't solve this issue for you, it might be other things. One other very common thing is that maybe you tried it in a bad connection area. Then of course, most likely your mobile data will not work in a bad connection. You can try to go into another area, try once again and see if that solves the issue. If that doesn't solve the issue, well, it might be that you don't really have enough money on your subscription now on Mint Mobile to be able to use mobile data. You can always contact them or log into your account on Mint mobile app, for example, and check your status in there and check your balance. Hopefully this video will be able to clarify why it's not working and how you can fix it.